This video is brought to you by ClevPicks. Check description for more information.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on my channel. Today in this video, we're going to be talking about ClevPicks, which is an online football betting and prediction platform powered by artificial intelligence, which you can use to make football predictions, as well as you can also earn money out of it. Hi guys, I'm your host Shaumit Seth, and without any further ado, let's get started.
So once you are on your PC or mobile, you will have to go to the ClevPicks official website, which you can go by clicking the link in the description, or you can directly search for it. Once you are on the website, it will show you a pop-out of UEFA deposit bonus. Next, it will ask you to log in. You can either log in with Google or Facebook, or you can create an email account. For this video, I am signing in with my Google account. Once you log in, it will take you to the homepage of the website. Talking about a basic layout, first we have a AI powered football predictions. Below that we have tips, upcoming matches and hot news. If you click on match, under this tab you will see all the upcoming and ended matches of almost all the major football leagues which are organized in a date and time format. You can easily select a date from the calendar and you will see all the match results for that date. Next we have predictions, which are powered by artificial intelligence. The AI model of ClevPicks analyzes each and every game accurately and gives a prediction on which side is gonna win, home or away. You can easily filter out free and VIP predictions with the help of a dedicated button. Tipster is a page where you will find the experts who have the most number of wins and who are basically nailing the game of predictions. You can follow them, and experts come in handy when you need professional solutions for matches. If you click on the profile icon, it will take you to the user center. Under user center, you can purchase your prediction plan. There are huge discounts running currently on the website, as well as a guaranteed 100% deposit bonus. The plans are nothing but coins. You purchase these coins which you can use to see the VIP predictions. So the higher coins you purchase, the more predictions you can see, and that also increases your chances of winning. The website also provides a new user benefit under which if you incur loss on your first prediction, the company will refund the coins for your first VIP tip. Please note that the platform updates the prediction plan of the match at least 1 hour before the game starts. If the profit rates are not meeting the user expectations, then ClevPicks provides users with special services to help them make money and enjoy football. So I'm really impressed by the concept of this software. You can follow your passion for football as well as make some money out of it, which definitely sounds like a great deal to me. Apart from this, you also get latest happenings in football around the globe at one place, which is a pretty good feature for football enthusiasts. So if you want to make some money while following your passion, then do check out ClevPicks.
Okay guys, with that being said, we come to the end of this video. So this was my take on ClevPicks. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any queries regarding this platform, then you can feel free to ask me in the comment section below, and I would be happy to answer to all of them. Also, if you need more information about ClevPicks, then you can click the first link in the description and you will go to their official website. From there, you can read more about this online platform. With that being said, if you're new here, then do consider hitting the subscribe button and also pressing the like button, which will keep us motivated to bring such content for you all daily. With that being said, this is Shaumit Seth signing off. Peace.